Hi, this is A. Vijayalakshmi, working as an assistant professor at VIT University, Chennai. In this video lecture, I would like to discuss the recent trends in database technology. First, we'll see what is data. A raw fact is called as a data. What is information? The processed raw data is called as an information. What is knowledge? Information converted to knowledge to find any useful patterns. Next, we'll see the definition of an information system. Any system which collects, processes, stores, analyzes and disseminates is called as an information system. This is a fundamental components and characteristics of information system. Any information system can consider data as an input and it can be processed and we can get output as an information. While doing the processing, we can manage and control the data. Next, we will see the levels of information system. We can consider the information system in two different levels, like functional view as well as decision support view. In a functional view, we can consider the information in a department level, divisional level, enterprise-wide level as well as inter-organizational level. In the decision support level, we can use the information for operational planning as well as for controlling process as well as strategic planning. Next, we will consider the classification of information system. The information system can be broadly classified into two different categories. The first one is operation information system, second one is management information system. The operation information system can be classified as transaction processing system, process control system as well as office automation system. Next, the management information system can also classified as information reporting system, decision support system as well as executive information system. This is a flow chart which represents the data. Next, we'll see the complexity of data management. Assessment of information. We have to make a balance between data transparency and data security. We need a well-designed system to filter garbage output. These are all the complexity of data management. Next, we'll see what is database. It's a place where we can able to store and retrieve the data. We can classify the data into two different ways, that is unstructured data and structured data. We can see few examples of structured data, that is payroll data, inventory data, library information data is called as structured data. Next, unstructured data, any technical reports, correspondence as well as the descriptive data in the form of text is called as unstructured data. Next, we'll see how can we use the computer for creating a database. For structured data, we can use the tables in MS Word, we can use spreadsheet in the Excel as well as we can use any specialized tool for data entry, updating, storage, retrieval as well as for analysis. Similarly, for unstructured data, we can store the data in the form of text file. We can use the features of hyperlinking or we can use any tools based on text as well as keyword. Next, we'll see the definition of database management system. A database management system which stores the collection of interrelated data in an efficient and compact manner. In our definition, we use the word efficient, compact and related data. Efficient, retrieving the data quickly from the DBMS, that is an efficient way. Next one is compact, with less memory, storing of more information in DBMS. Related data, always will store the data related to a particular topic. For maintaining a DBMS, we can use some set of software programs that can able to control, organize, store, manage and retrieve the data. Next one is by changing trend from the database. There are a lot of difficulties that makes us to change the trend. The first one is difficulty in storage and usage of data in DBMS. Second one is there are a lot of demand for the data in terms of text. And the adaptation to the e-business and e-commerce as well as lot of online business makes us to make change in our trend. The people started using more mobile devices. Storing the mobile database is also a challenging one in DBMS. These all the things makes us to make a move in our existing trend. So next we'll see about the Relational Database Management System, that is RDBMS. We'll see what is RDBMS. Next we'll see the products of RDBMS as well as the latest trends in RDBMS. Relational Database Management System. In RDBMS, we will store the data as a relational model. For maintaining the relation, we are creating the keys called primary key and foreign key. For maintaining the relationship between one table and another table, we can use the foreign keys. One of the popular query language in Relational Database Management System is SQL, that is Structured Query Language. SQL contains two different languages, that is Data Definition Language (DDL) and Data Manipulation Language, that is DML. By using the Data Definition Language, we can create, drop and alter the table. By using the Data Manipulation Language, we can insert, select, update and delete the data. Next important concept in Relational Database Management System is transaction processing. In every level of transaction, we have to ensure the data integrity as well as the fault tolerance. In every transaction, we have to ensure the property of atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. It is called as ACID property. Next we will see what is ACID property. Atomicity. Database operation either happen or may not happen. Second one, consistency. We have to ensure the integrity of the database operations. Third one, isolation. One operation visible to the other operation in the concurrent process. The fourth one is durability. We have to ensure the survival of the transaction permanently. Next is database normalization. In relational database system, we have to normalize each and every table. What is called as normalization? Minimizing the redundancy and dependency. For doing the normalization, we can use the concept of 1NF, 2NF, 3NF and BCNF and so forth. Next we'll see the recent RDBMS products. Oracle, the latest version of Oracle is Oracle 11G, and Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL. These are all the recent products of Relational Database Management System. Next, NoSQL database. NoSQL database, which provides a mechanism for storage as well as retrieve the data not in a traditional relational database. We can also achieve a horizontal scaling as well as higher availability of the data. When we are going to be use a huge quantity of data like big data, NoSQL database is the best choice. We can use the NoSQL database to store and retrieve the data without having a relationship between the elements. Next we'll see the NoSQL database products. That's all. MongoDB, CouchDB, Oracle NoSQL database, OrientDB, as well as Apache Cassandra. These are all the recent products of NoSQL database. Next we'll see about the cloud database. Nowadays, the organizations are started switching over to the cloud computing platform. So there is a great need of cloud database. The cloud database typically runs on a cloud computing platform. The cloud database is having significant advantages, which includes accessibility, automatic fault tolerance, greater scalability, minimal investment and minimal maintenance, but giving better performance. The cloud database, we can choose either the relational database management system or NoSQL database. We can also easily move the database from one place to another place. If we want more storage, we can pay for the greater storage capacity. We can use the cloud database for analytics as well as the business intelligence. Next we'll see the recent products of cloud database. Rackspace database, Amazon Cloud Database, Google Cloud, MongoLab and Oracle Cloud. These are all the recent products of cloud database. Next we will see graph database. A graph database is a database that uses the graph property as well as the graph structure like nodes and edges to represent and store the data. Next we'll see the recent products of graph database, that is Neo4j, OrientDB, HyperGraphDB, Titan and GraphBase. Thanks for listening the recent trends in database technology. Thank you.